Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Accuindex. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Accuindex is a licensed broker that was founded in 2016. This broker is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and the Financial Services Commission. They have offices in Dubai, Mauritius, and Cyprus. Accuindex caters primarily to corporate and professional traders and offers flexible account types, competitive trading conditions, and an innovative payment application. Accuindex offers more than 500 instruments, and there are more than 60 Forex pairs that you can trade with this broker. You can also trade a wide range of metals, commodities, indices, energies, and stocks with Accuindex. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with this broker, simply click on the Markets tab and select an instrument from the drop-down menu, or head over to the Accounts page to see which instruments can be traded on each account. You can also view the instruments offered on the homepage or by using the listed menu at the bottom of the page. Accuindex offers a simplistic, user-friendly website that is easy to navigate. You can find all the information you need about the instruments this broker offers on the homepage, and you will also find direct links to market news, an economic calendar, and educational resources further down the homepage. Accuindex offers 24/7 customer support, and you can find their contact details under the Company tab. The customer support team can be reached via email, live chat, or telephonically, and you can also submit a web ticket directly from the website. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section and the Help Center to read through all the tips and tutorials provided. You can use the AccuPay application to manage your trading account and make withdrawals from your account at ATMs using your Accuindex Mastercard. The Accuindex card can also be used to make secure online and offline transactions, and the application has a built-in customer support channel. Accuindex provides a 50% withdrawable and tradable deposit bonus up to the value of $25,000 US. Both new and existing accounts are eligible for this bonus. Simply fill out the form on the Accuindex Register Bonus page. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with Accuindex, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. All accounts are commission-free and have a maximum leverage limit of 1 to 400. All Accuindex accounts are market execution accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. The standard account has the lowest minimum deposit, and you need to deposit at least $100 US to open this account. If you are a professional trader or a corporate investor, we would recommend the Pro account. The professional account requires a minimum deposit of $1,000 US and offers spreads starting from 0.8 pips. All accounts can be used to trade more than 300 instruments, and they have a stop-out level of 20% on the standard account, 30% on the Pro account, and 50% on the Raw account. If you are new to trading, then you can practice with a demo account in the meantime. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test out your strategies and try new tools and platform features. Muslim clients can open a swap-free Islamic account. No interest or rollover fees are charged on overnight positions with this account. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Accuindex offers, click on the Trading tab and head over to the Account Types page. Your Accuindex accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world today. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. This platform comes with easy-to-read charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. The MetaTrader platforms are currently the most popular and most reliable trading platforms. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and can be downloaded for free. These platforms can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. You can find download links for MetaTrader 4 and 5 by clicking on the Trading tab or by clicking on one of the links at the bottom of the homepage. Creating an account with Accuindex may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Accuindex homepage, and then click on the Trade Now button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. Once your account is approved and set up, you can fund your account and start trading. What you'll want to do next after your account has been set up is choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with Accuindex. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Your Accuindex account can be funded using Mastercard and Visa credit and debit cards, NetTeller, Skrill, bank wire transfer, and other third-party applications. If you are new to trading, we would recommend visiting the Accuindex Online Academy and practice using a demo account. You can use this portal to learn the basics of trading, how to manage your risks, and the psychology of trading. You will find a link to the Academy under the Learn tab. Accuindex also provides updated market news and expert trading insights that you can use alongside their economic calendar to make more informed trading decisions. Accuindex have won dozens of international awards over the years, and in 2021, they were awarded with the Best Trading Conditions, the Best Forex Broker, and the Best Execution Broker. In 2022, they were awarded with the Most Transparent Forex Broker, the Best Forex Broker in the MENA region, and in 2020, the Best MetaTrader 5 Broker. Overall, Accuindex is a reliable, regulated broker that offers VIP trading services, white label solutions, and dedicated customer support. Despite some of the minimum deposits being high, the Accuindex Trading Academy will help any beginner learn the basics of trading in no time. And if you are new, you can use a demo account to practice on. Accuindex offers hundreds of tradable instruments, tight spreads, and commission-free accounts. And trading with this broker might just give you a competitive edge. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account today and make your first deposit to claim your bonus and get a head start on your trading career with Accuindex. And that is our overview of Accuindex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.